What's up YouTube? I'm Sain. If you're new to the channel, I make videos about personal finance, how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started the Robinhood challenge for two reasons. Number one, to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't know how to. And number two, I wanted to show you in real time the companies that I invest in to take my portfolio from $0 to 10K, and then I'm gonna take it from 10K to 100K, all in real time. So listen, feel free to join me on the journey. You can grab some stock using my link below, or feel free to just watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video is about what to do when the stock market keeps going up, and in particular, what to do about Tesla in a situation where the stock continues to shoot up through the roof, continues to make gains, create new highs day after day after day. Today we're going to talk a little bit about what you should do and what I suggest you do when any stock. I'm gonna talk about Tesla, but this goes for any stock that does what Tesla is currently doing in the stock market. So before we jump into the video, I'm gonna hop in my phone real quick and we're gonna look at my portfolio, but more importantly, we're gonna open 3 stocks on the day. And so I'm giving some shout outs to everybody that's using my Robinhood link to get yourself some free stocks, because it's a win-win situation. When you get free stock, I get free stock, and it just adds to the building wealth process. So let's get to it. So as you can see here, my portfolio after hours is at $9,484.86. Like I said, before we jump into the portfolio, we're gonna open up a free stock. This first one is from Austin, so we're gonna go with this one in the middle. Let's rub this one on out. We got plug, 1 share for $4.09. We're gonna open up another one. This one is from Marcus. Shout out Marcus. We're gonna go in the middle again. And this one is from Sprint. And the Sprint shares for 1 share, $4.54. Free money. This next one is from Jamel. Shout out to Jamel. We're gonna go with this one. Once again, I got Sprint. 1 share for $4.54. So listen, man, every video I make, you can get some free stock using my link below. Again, when you get some free stock, I get some free stock. It's a win-win for both of us, man. I appreciate you guys showing the interest in building your wealth, showing the interest in the stock market, and more importantly, using my link to get yourself acclimated to investing and building generational wealth for you, your family, and your kids. And so without further ado, man, let's jump into the topic for today. And so what to do when the stock market is going up the way it's doing. And so, as you know, man, I cover Tesla, but I cover a myriad of stocks. And one thing I recommend during a bull run like you see happening right now, or in this particular case, just a crazy wild run the way Tesla is doing, is not to get too high or too low. It's important it's important to be even keel. It's important to be cool, calm, and collected, because just the way the stock shot up, the stock can also shoot down that same way. And the drop might not be as dramatic as the come up, but either way, it's important for you to manage your emotions and not get too caught up into the $1,000 you made today, the $10,000. I had one person that followed me, and I made him over $35,000 today just because he followed the videos and do what I instruct to do in terms of how to invest and where to put your money at. And so I got guys making over $35,000 in one day off of just putting their money in Tesla because of it jumping up 19-20% in a matter of an 8-hour day. And so the goal is for you not to get too high or too low, because as excited as you are, you're gonna have to have that same level of confidence when it drops, because you only lose money when you sell out of a stock. But whether it goes up or goes down, as long as you hold on to it, you're good. And that's why I say you got to play for a long game. You got to play for the long game. This is not a get rich quick scheme. These are companies that I tell you guys about. These are for real good companies, and these are companies that I believe in. And so that's why my money is into them. And so that's why I encourage you to also do your own research, even if you mimic some of what I do, because I'm not going to lead you astray, but do your own research so you get some companies that you like that I might not have, but that you okay holding for the long term, to watch your money pile up, to watch your money continue to grow. And so when the stock is doing what you see Tesla is doing, the thing that you should do is you should hold. You shouldn't sell. You shouldn't get too happy. You can take a few profits. So if you got, depending on how many shares you got, you can sell a couple if you need some extra money or some extra cash, or if you see another good investment that you might want to put some money into, you might can sell. But again, when it's important to just, when the stock is going up the way it's going up, man, sit back and enjoy the ride. That's all I've done today. That's all I've done on this entire run for the stock market in general, because depending on how well you're diversified in the companies that you choose, Tesla is not the only stock that's doing good. Tesla is going up at a higher rate than everybody else. But in general, whether it's Nike, whether it's Microsoft, even Uber is doing well. Some of the companies I invest in. And so it just wins across the board. But that's the importance of picking and selecting good companies to put your money into. And so when the market is like it is, don't get too high, don't get too low. Be happy on the inside, but manage your emotions. And more importantly, hold. You even can wait for a dip, because if it falls to a price that you're comfortable with, you can then buy in at a lower price with the expectation that it's going to eventually shoot back up. I often say everything will go up and everything will come down, but regardless if it come down, one thing is for certain, is that it will go back up. And so in a situation like that, it's just important to stay disciplined, stay humble, stay grounded, and then and like I said, hold for the long haul. Don't get happy. Don't try to sell. Don't try to get cute in this investing business. Just establish some sound principles that you can live by and that can guide how you move when you invest. I drop a video like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you in the next one.